This is a simple pen, and this is a Fulgor Nucturnos by Tibaldi. Fulgor Nucturnos by Tibaldi. Fulgor Nucturnos by Tibaldi. This is the world's most expensive pen ever made. This pen costs $8 million. Hello everyone, Calligraphy here, and today I will show you the world's most expensive pen ever made. I will tell you why this pen costs that much and what's more special than yours, or what's more special than this simple pen. Before we jump straight into today's topic, please make sure you've already subscribed to the channel, you know, because of the algorithm. Thank you. Okay, can you imagine it? It costs $8 million. 8 million, guys. This is equal to 30 Wombos or 1,600,000 cheeseburgers or whatever you want there. This miracle is even more expensive than the most expensive dog in the world, Tibetan Mastiff. The perfect pen with which to put your signature on the overdue mortgage. But how is it more special than your pen? Like this simple pen? You might be wondering if it costs that amount of money. Maybe you've all heard the pen is mightier than the sword. And how, especially if it costs that much money. So let me tell you more about this pen. No, not this pen. The other one. The expensive one. However, that's why you've clicked on this video. For collectors, the pens are a lot like paintings. They too are a thing of beauty, created skillfully and a status of symbol. This pen is made by Florentine brand Tibaldi, that unveiled a pen called the Fulgor Nucturnos. This Georgia's writing instrument recently sold for a staggering price of 8 million at a charity auction in Shanghai. I hope my paintings one day cost that much. Tell me, what would you do with $8 million? Please let me know in the comments below because I'm curious about this one. About its incredible design, we know that it is based on the divine proportion of P, which means that the proportion of the pen's cap and the barrel of the pen when closed are equal to the P ratio, which is 1.618. The thought behind this thing of beauty isn't the only reason behind its hefty price tag. The Fulgor Nucturnus comes with its fair share of bling, 945 black diamonds, oh my god, along with 123 rubies to be exact. Oh my god. It's tricky to say if this should be called a pen or a fine piece of jewelry. The Fulgor Nucturnus pen has 16 clips above the small button on the cap and a golden nib for durability. This pen is truly a collector's piece in every sense of the word, as only one exists in the entire world. Hit like that button really, because I'm raising money to buy this pen. Some trivia regarding this pen. The words Fulgor means dazzling brilliance, splendor or radiance, and Nocturnus means occurring at night. One look at the pen and you will know this is aptly named as the radiance of the night with its shining dark exterior. Okay, it's dark too. Do you think that this is the only pen that costs more than $1 million? No, not this pen. It's not. Surprise! Meet Mont Blanc Bohème Royal. This pen, compared to the previous one, costs a modest $1,500,000. This pen is the second most expensive pen in the world. Great way to invest your money, don't you think? Part of the Bohème collection, the Bohème Royal is made of 18 karat white gold and studded with over 1,400 diamonds of the very highest grade. It's worth it. The stones have a slight coloration that adds a unique quality to the pen's aesthetics but isn't obvious unless you compare them side by side with a colorless diamond. Even the Mont Blanc logo has been done up with style, made using 18 karat white gold and 19 diamonds. This is also one of the only fountain pens in the world with a retractable nib. And let's finish this little ranking with the latest pen that falls into the 6-0 category, Cardin d'H 1010 Diamond Edition. The renowned Swiss brand makes the list again with a piece that combines two quintessential symbols of luxury pens and watches. The name of this particular pen derives from the time of 10 minutes past 10, which is considered to be the most aesthetically pleasing position of clock hands on the dial. The body of the pen is covered in finely crafted gears and wrapped in a transparent casing to mimic a skeleton watch design, to resemble a clock hand, and even the nib has a gear design engraved into it. There are 3 editions of the 1010 collection: silver, gold and diamond. The diamond edition is the only one worth 7 figures and features over 800 perfectly cut stones. Can you guess how much this pen costs? The modest $1 million. The rest are cheap. Montblanc Mystery Masterpiece, 730,000, and Cardin d'H Gothica, this one costs 487,000. Okay guys, hope this video was interesting to you. If so, then you probably enjoyed this video too. If you click on the screen right now, you can go and watch it. Don't forget to watch this video. See you later.